Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. A few weeks back, I went to Amritsar for some work and we decided to eat lunch at one of the dhabas. There was a lot of food that was being prepared there which was delicious and exciting, but there was something that really got me exciting was the keema. And that's what I'm planning to show you today. It's called the Dhabewala Kheema. So this keema, I'm going to make it on a tawa. You can make it in a kadai or whatever pots that you would like to make it in. So I'm going to heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil here. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a cup of butter as well. As the butter is melting, I'm going to add some spices. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 5 green cardamoms and 10 cloves. And I'm immediately going to add 4 chopped onions. The onions are nice and brown. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste. Saute the ginger and garlic till the raw smell is gone off. 5 green chillies that I have finely chopped. 1 large capsicum. I'm going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. To this, I'm going to add all the dry spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of chilli powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of garam masala powder. I'm just going to saute this for a few seconds. I've taken 3 tomatoes here, which are medium sized. I've just ground it to a paste. I've made a puree of this. I'm just going to add this. A tablespoon of butter. Our basic gravy is done. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves and half a cup of coriander, fresh coriander. I'm going to leave the rest for garnishing. Now what I'm going to do is, I've got 3/4 kg of mutton mince. I'm going to add this and fry it. I'm going to add salt to this and then I'm going to let it cook. We've already added a lot of butter to this, so be careful when you're adding salt because we don't want the dish to get a little salty. It's been almost 15-20 minutes it's been cooking. I'm going to add a cup of milk to this to make it creamy. It's been more than half an hour that we've been cooking this mutton mince and now it's ready. It's smelling amazing. I'm going to just finish this off with some finely chopped coriander. Mix this and we're all good to go. You can have this with some buttered pav as well. I'm sure it'll taste really nice. But in Amritsar it was served with a lachha paratha, which goes equally very well. So our keema is ready. Let's get it out in a serving bowl. You can garnish this with boiled eggs as well. I'm going to add some more finely chopped coriander. You can have it with pav and parathas just like I said before. So do try this dish and let me know. For such simple, interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.